Welcome and thanks for joining us. This is a bit of breaking news report to bring to you right now on Links 007 TV, and is that the 9-year-old girl that was reported missing from Thursday has been found and has been rushed to hospital. When we return, we'll have the exclusive details of this to come on the program. This is Links 007 TV news report, and we'll be right back after this short break. Welcome to Links 007 TV news report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV news report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV news report. A bit of good news to bring to you right now on the program, and is that the 9-year-old girl that has been missing since Thursday has been found alive in St. Thomas. She was rushed to hospital for medical examination. The suspected abductor, Davian Bryan, is believed to have been sighted in the area, and the police and the residents have intensified their search along with members of the JDF. The superintendent in charge of St. Thomas Police Division, Mr. Allison Byfield, in an interview, told reporters on Saturday that the Jamaica Defense Force soldiers had joined in the search using their drone technology. The police have also stated that they have intensified their search for the main suspect, Mr. Davian Bryan, a resident of St. Thomas, who they have identified as a person of interest. Police said that Bryan is before the court regarding illegal possession of firearm. The police said that the abduction was caught on CCTV footage, and the male holding the child in his arm with a knife in his other hand. We're going to bring you over to the initial report given by the head of the corporate communications unit within the Jamaica Constabulary Force, Ms. Stephanie Lindsay. Let's go over to that right now on Links 007 TV.
Her mother reportedly ran to the station and said that her daughter was at home and she searched and she can't find her. So they commenced a search with the police along with other members of the community, which is like a large community. They searched all night. She wasn't found. Their new team went out of sight this morning, so they are still searching for her. Based on the discussion we had, he's known in the community. He's originally from Portland, but he was charged for illegal possession of firearms and was reporting in Bath on part of the condition of his bail. So it is alleged that he was on the footage with just around the time when she went missing. So we are asking persons that if they have any bit of information to share with the police at Bath or 119 or the nearest police station for that.
So that is welcoming news coming outside of the Jamaica Constabulary Force that the child has been found, and this is Phylisia, who has been missing for a number of days right now, and the police have intensified their search for the main suspect, who they believe is the one responsible for carrying out this act. We'll continue to track this story and provide you more information to come on this. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.